tiny tales and tunes.
A for alligator, chomping all around. B for bear, with a growling sound. C for cat, who likes to play. D for dog, who barks all day. E for elephant, big and strong. F for frog, who hops along. G for giraffe, so tall to see. H for horse, who runs with glee. I for iguana, crawling slow. J for jaguar, ready to go. K for kangaroo, jump, jump, jump. L for lion with a mighty thump. M for monkey, swinging free. N for newt, by the tree. O for owl, who hoots at night. P for penguin, in black and white. Q for quail, so small and fast. R for rabbit, hopping past. S for snake, who likes to hiss. T for tiger, with stripes like this. U for unicorn, a magical friend. V for vulture, wings that bend. W for whale, swimming wide. X for x-ray fish, with bones inside. Y for yak, with shaggy hair. Z for zebra, stripes everywhere.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.